Hello, dear friend. I want to take a moment to connect with you today, to share thoughts that may resonate deep within your heart. Life can often feel overwhelming, can't it? The constant stream of thoughts, worries, and what-ifs can trap us in a cycle of overthinking. You may find yourself lost in a maze of doubt, questioning every decision you make. But what if I told you that you have the power to break free from this pattern? Today, let's explore how we can silence the noise of overthinking and find peace within ourselves. First, understand that the mind is a powerful tool. It shapes our perceptions, influences our actions, and ultimately creates our reality. When we allow it to run rampant with negative thoughts and self-doubt, we hinder our potential to manifest the life we desire. Overthinking can become a barrier, keeping us from taking steps toward our dreams. It's important to recognize this pattern and realize that you hold the keys to change. The first step in overcoming this habit is awareness. Acknowledge when you're caught in a loop of overanalysis. Pay attention to the feelings that accompany this state of mind. Is it anxiety? Fear? Frustration? By recognizing these emotions, you begin to create a space for understanding. You may even ask yourself, what am I really afraid of? Often, the answers will reveal underlying beliefs that no longer serve you. Next, practice grounding techniques to help center your mind. Breathing exercises can be incredibly effective. Take a moment to close your eyes, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your breath to flow naturally, focusing on the rhythm of each inhalation and exhalation. As you do this, visualize the thoughts that clutter your mind dissipating with each breath. Imagine them floating away, leaving you in a state of calm. This practice can help quiet the noise and bring clarity to your thoughts. In addition to grounding, consider the power of visualization. This technique can transform your thinking. Visualize your goals as already achieved. See yourself living the life you desire. What does it feel like? What are you doing? How do you carry yourself? By immersing yourself in this vision, you shift your focus from doubt to possibility. Note, the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between reality and imagination. By vividly imagining your desires, you begin to create the conditions for them to manifest in your life. It's also essential to challenge the thoughts that fuel your overthinking. When negative thoughts arise, question their validity. Are they based on facts or assumptions? Often, we inflate our worries, creating mountains out of molehills. Instead of succumbing to these thoughts, remind yourself of your strengths and past achievements. You are capable of overcoming challenges. Each time you face a worry, ask yourself, what evidence do I have that supports this thought? You may find that the fears you hold are unfounded. Cultivating a positive mindset is vital. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, whether through books, music, or inspiring conversations. Seek out those who encourage you, who believe in your potential. Limit exposure to negativity, whether from social media, news, or even people who drain your energy. You deserve to be in an environment that nurtures your growth and well-being. Another key aspect of breaking free from overthinking is to think of action. Often, we get trapped in our heads, paralyzed by the fear of making the wrong choice. But understand this, action breeds clarity. When you take steps toward your goals, even if they are small, you begin to shift the energy around you. The act of doing can dispel uncertainty. Rather than waiting for the perfect moment, create it. Each decision you make, no matter how minor, propels you forward. Note, it's okay to make mistakes. They are part of the journey. Think of the lessons they bring. Each stumble can teach you something valuable. Shift your perspective on failure, view it as an opportunity for growth. When you allow yourself the freedom to fail, you take the pressure off your decision-making process. This can significantly reduce the grip of overthinking. As you begin on this journey of self-discovery and growth, practice self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself. Overthinking often stems from a place of self-criticism. Recognize that it's okay to not have all the answers. Allow yourself the grace to explore, to learn, and to grow without harsh judgment. Treat yourself as you would treat a dear friend. Offer kindness and encouragement instead of criticism. This shift in attitude can create a profound impact on your mental well-being. In the pursuit of your goals, don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledging your achievements reinforces a positive mindset and encourages further action. Keep a journal to document your thoughts, experiences, and victories. Reflect on how far you've come and the challenges you've overcome. This practice not only helps you track your growth but also serves as a reminder of your resilience. Let's not overlook the importance of meditation in calming the mind. Set aside time each day to sit in silence, allowing your thoughts to flow without judgment. You may find that simply observing your thoughts can help create distance between you and your worries. Over time, this practice can lead to a greater sense of inner peace and clarity. It's also beneficial to incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Positive affirmations can counteract the negative self-talk that often accompanies overthinking. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement. Affirmations like, "I am capable," "I trust my intuition," or "I am enough," can reshape your inner dialogue. Write them down and recite them aloud. The more you affirm these truths, the more they will resonate within you. As we explore these practices, note the significance of your thoughts and beliefs. They are the seeds from which your reality grows. You have the power to cultivate a garden of positivity or allow weeds of doubt to flourish. Make a conscious choice to nurture thoughts that support your growth and happiness. Surround yourself with inspiration, and let that be the foundation upon which you build your future. Engaging in physical activity can also significantly impact your mental clarity. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers, which can reduce feelings of anxiety and help clear your mind. Find a form of exercise you enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, or yoga. As you move your body, you create a connection between the mind and the physical self, promoting a sense of well-being that counteracts the tendency to overthink. As we explore these strategies, it's important to acknowledge that the journey to mental clarity is not a linear path. There may be days when you find yourself caught in the web of overthinking again. Instead of being hard on yourself during those times, use them as opportunities for growth. Each experience contributes to your understanding of your mind and its patterns. Be patient with yourself, change takes time. Creating a vision board can also be a transformative practice. Visualize your goals and dreams in a tangible way. By bringing your aspirations into view, you shift your focus from what's worrying you to what you desire. Seeing your goals represented visually can spark motivation and excitement, reducing the space for negative thoughts to invade your mind. Now, let's shift our focus to the conclusion of this journey. You've taken significant steps toward addressing overthinking and fostering a more positive mindset. As we wrap up our video today, I want to encourage you to carry these insights into your daily life. The tools and strategies we've discussed are meant to serve you, guiding you toward a more peaceful and productive existence. You have the power to cultivate a reality that aligns with your desires. As you move forward, I invite you to reflect on your progress and continue integrating these practices into your routine. Your mind is a garden, and with careful tending, you can grow flowers instead of weeds. Take a moment to appreciate the strides you've made, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledge that every positive change contributes to your growth. Before you go, I kindly ask you to consider supporting this channel. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes not only boost our visibility but also motivate us to create more content that inspires and uplifts. Additionally, subscribing to our channel ensures you'll receive notifications about future videos that can help guide you on your path. Your support means the world to us, and we are grateful for each viewer who chooses to be part of this journey. Note, you are not alone in navigating the complexities of your thoughts. Together, we can continue to explore, learn, and grow. Your presence here is appreciated, and I hope to see you back for more discussions that can elevate your mindset. Let's continue to cultivate positivity and resilience, transforming our lives one thought at a time. Let this be a gentle reminder that the answers you seek lie within you. Trust your intuition, listen to your heart, and know that you possess the strength to overcome the challenges before you. Each moment is an opportunity for growth, and you are worthy of the life you desire. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to connect and reflect. Together, let's begin on this journey toward clarity and peace, breaking free from the chains of overthinking. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, so choose them wisely. Think of the beauty of this moment, for it is yours to create.